Saw your question on the discussion board. Compute P of x using a binomial probability formula. Determine where a normal distribution can be used to estimate it. If so, approximate using normal distribution. So n is 74, p is 0.71, and x is 50. So we want to do binomial probability distribution. They say use the formula. I used a binomial calculator. Come here and click on Stat, Calculators, and choose the binomial calculator. N 74, P is 0.71, and x equal 50. So we put x equal 50 in here, click Compute. It comes out 0.0802 if we round to 4 places. So that'd be probability of getting 50. And next, can we use a normal distribution? Well, here's the condition for using normal distribution to approximate this. So n times p times quantity 1 minus p must be at least 10 or greater. So n 74, p is 0.71, so we put that in here, and I put it in the calculator, and I get 15.2, which is greater than 10. So we could use a normal distribution to approximate this binomial probability. And so I didn't quite have room here, but I'd just go in and I'd use the normal calculator, click on Stats, Calculator, and go to Normal Calculator, and use it to get the approximation. Hope this helps.